Hi, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply. It's been quite a year for DJI, and with the release of all of their new drones, you are probably wondering which one is right for you and what are the main differences on their consumer line of drones. Well, as always, we have you covered, and today we're going to compare the Mini 4 Pro versus the DJI Air 3. And is there enough difference to spend the extra $400+? So let's find out. Size. Looking at the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3 here, you can obviously see that the main difference is size. The Mini 4 Pro can pretty much fit in a pocket, where the Air 3 is more comparable to the size of the Mavic 3. This could be a difference maker for some that are looking for the smallest drone to get the job done. If you travel a lot and want to quickly unpack a drone and get in the air, the Mini 4 Pro would be the perfect choice for that. The Air 3 will require a slightly larger case to travel with, and once you're in the air, the Mini 4 Pro will be nearly impossible to see and hear once you're above 100 feet. The Air 3 is a much more obvious drone to spot in the air, and if you have nosy neighbors or do not want to draw too much attention to your flight, the Air 3 would probably not be your choice. Weight. The Mini 4 Pro weighs in at 249 grams, which makes it the smallest drone in their lineup. And comparing that to the 700 plus grams of the Air 3, you almost have 3 times the weight when you go to the Air 3. So what does this mean for you? Well, you will have to register the Air 3 with the FAA due to its weight, where the Mini 4 Pro can literally fly under the radar because it is below that 250 gram threshold. Camera specs. If you look at the sensor size between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3, they both had the 1/1.3 CMOS sensor, but you can obviously see that you get the second camera on the Air 3, which gives you that telephoto capability. For those of you that are flying landscape videos, scenery, and etc., both of these drones would work perfectly for that. But if you want to capture something in the distance, the zoom and the telephoto capabilities of the Air 3 far outweigh the capabilities of the Mini 4 Pro. Where does the Mini 4 Pro win in the battle of the camera specs? The true vertical shooting. The Mini 4 Pro can capture in 4K in vertical mode, meaning the camera will rotate to a vertical position, allowing you to capture content for all the social platforms out there. Does the Air 3 capture vertically? Technically yes, but it is cropping into a vertical form from the 4K video, so you are not capturing a full 4K video in vertical mode, just a vertical cropped version at 2.7K. So if you want to create the next trending video on TikTok, Instagram, or Snapchat, grab the Mini 4 Pro and get flying. Price. If you are on a budget and want the best bang for your buck, the Mini 4 Pro starts at $759. But that does come with the controller, where you have to plug a phone or a tablet into it to get your video feed. Jumping up a couple $100 more, you can get the Mini 4 Pro Fly More Kit Plus, which comes with 3 batteries and the new RC2 smart controller for just $1159. The entry level for the Air 3 starts at $1099 and comes with that same RC-N2 remote where you need the phone or tablet. If you compare the price of the Air 3 to the same package of the Mini 4 Pro with the Fly More Kit and the smart controller, you'll be looking at $1549 on the Air 3. So there you have it. Is a $400 difference going to make you go with the Mini 4 Pro or the Air 3? Safety. Both the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3 have omnidirectional sensors which help protect you from crashes. So when it comes to flight safety, you're going to have the same obstacle avoidance on the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3. Having this protection helps you capture better content because it is one less thing to focus on and allows you to capture and create that perfect shot. Batteries and flight time. The Air 3 comes with a much larger battery when it comes to size, and it is able to keep the Air 3 in the sky for up to 46 minutes. The standard battery on the Mini 4 Pro will keep you flying for roughly 34 minutes, and the Flight Battery Plus on the Mini 4 will last about 45 minutes. 34 minutes to 46 minutes is a big difference. 12 extra minutes in the air can mean the difference in capturing the content you need at that exact moment and not having to come back for a battery swap. It is important to note that the Mini 4 Pro Intelligent Flight Battery Plus is not sold in Europe. So for all of our European customers, if you need the extended battery, purchase one from our site and we will ship it to you. We promise not to tell anyone, and you can stay in the air for extra 12 minutes. We hope that learning about all of the specs and features on both of these drones helped educate you on which drone that you want or need. Whatever direction you go, you are making a great choice, as both of these drones are so good at what they do. It all comes down to your budget, your needs in cameras, and how long you want to be in the air. If you are still stuck on your decision, give us a call and we will be happy to answer all of your questions. You can reach us at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. To purchase either the Mini 4 Pro or the Air 3, click on the links in the description below. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.